my name is Shirin Panjwani. Today I would like to give my testimony for Twinkle Ma'am. Due to this corona pandemic, I offer my online classes that is from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Initially, I wasn't aware about the complex sentences, like what is complex sentences and how to use it. But because of the Twinkle Ma'am, I get to know more about the complex sentences and where to use it and what are the benefits for it. So the most important thing is how to write letters and essays, which I think she is one of the best teacher I ever had in my life. Even though she is strict about the writing task, I feel she is strict just because we students don't get overconfidence about our writing task. So I because of her strictness, I am getting more attracted towards her teaching skills. Overall, I love her and her teaching skills is excellent. Apart from this, I would like to give one of my recent experience in the reading task when I was stuck in between with the false and not given parameter. There was one test for related to false not given and true false not given. So in that the answer was false, but I wrote it down as a not given. So I asked her like twice or thrice, but she never think like why she is not understanding what a silly girl she is. She never does such things. In spite of that, she explained in very calm way and very politeness. She with her polite attitude, she gave me answer repeatedly with different skills, and I till I understand that questions. So I feel the best teacher does the same thing, and I repeatedly like I really like her, and she is the one of the best teacher I ever had in my life. And if you are from the Vinny consultancy, I am recommending you that please attend Twinkle Ma'am classes. She is the best teacher. Like if you attend that ma'am classes, I feel you will definitely get 778 bands. And I'm very lucky to have her in my life, like for IELTS. And she is friendly as well as she is strict, though I enjoy her class, and I love her. And thank you, Vinny, for having such a wonderful ma'am. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.